The fashion industry is the second biggest consumer of water and is responsible for about 10% of global carbon emissions, more than all international flights and maritime shipping combined. While clothes are a necessity, the waste fashion produces is detrimental. Clothes are worn a few times, then trashed in a never-ending cycle, and non-biodegradable clothing like synthetic cloth can take up to 200 years to biodegrade, if not more. Despite being a trillion-dollar industry, the fashion industry also loses about $500 billion value every year in fashion waste. So, how can an individual help combat this problem? Upcycling. Reusing and recycling old clothing could save some carbon dioxide from being produced, depending on the amount saved in the materials it's made of. In this video, there are a few different projects that could use recycled clothing. For this project, we are going to make a jean purse. First, lay out your pair of jeans. Then, flip them inside out, taking care to lay it as flat as possible. Make sure at the hem, you've got it squared up as evenly as you can as well. I use 2 bobby pins to do this. Now, to turn this into a usable purse, you're going to have to sew across the pair of jeans, so that way you get rid of the holes in the pant leg. Now that you've gotten everything marked up, sew across this line and cut slightly beneath it. After sewing beneath the line, make sure to turn it right side out. Now that it's right side out, it's time to work on the handles. For your handle, take 2 ties and measure them of equal length. We chose to do 32 inches. Now that you've finished cutting your ties, sew them onto the jean purse. Here we are about to sew the straps on our jean purse on our vintage 1972 Kenmore sewing machine. Now that you've sewn the straps on, you have a complete jean purse.
In order to make a t-shirt tote bag, all you will need is an old t-shirt and a pair of scissors. The first thing you're going to do is cut away the sleeves here and here. You can also cut away as much or as little of the hem as you would like. After you're done cutting away the sleeves, cut a line at the bottom of the shirt. After you've done that, cut little strips at the bottom of the t-shirt about this width. You can also triple knot the tassels or sew a line at the bottom of the bag if you want extra strength.